Before we get into these problems, let me write down that other version of the formulas, like the condensed version of the formulas, so you guys can see it. I'm just going to write it on this piece of paper here. So I'm going to say a nice way to write this formula for cosine, we'll have one for sine and tangent as well. Cosine of A plus B, or cosine of A minus B, so that was what that plus or minus means, is equal to cosine of A cosine of B minus plus sine A sine B. Jacqueline's on the prowl in the background. So this formula says exactly what these two say, just as one. So this minus plus here tells me to change the sign in the middle. So if it's a plus, it's a minus. If it's a minus, it's a plus. So it's a nice way to think about it. Sine A plus B. Once again, we're going to condense this down. This is going to look like sine of A cosine of B plus or minus sine of B cosine of A. That plus minus tells me to keep a plus minus in the problem. And then similarly for tangent, A plus or minus B, we can condense them down. We can say the top, we're going to keep the same signs, so it's going to look like tangent of A plus or minus tangent of B. And the bottom is going to look like a 1 minus plus, because we do opposite signs on the bottom. Tangent of A, tangent of B. This is a nice way to look at it, but if you don't like this way and you'd rather look at all 6 of them, that is totally fine as well. But this is a nice way to look at the condensed formulas.